This just offers them a level of protection, but that is entirely reasonable.
We don't want to be in a place where the police operate in secret.
In the ongoing ICE crackdown, an update to a story Fox 17 News first brought you that made national headlines after the mayor's office released the names of ICE officers they claim mistakenly. This week, a bill passed in the Senate criminalizing the actions of public officials or government entities who knowingly publish ICE officers' personal information. We break down the arguments from both sides of the aisle.
Across the mid-state, ICE officers continue to enforce federal immigration law. In early May, at the start of the Tennessee Highway Patrol and ICE operation in Nashville, Fox 17 News discovered the Nashville mayor's office released the names of federal immigration officials. The information was posted publicly on the Office of New Americans website. After our story aired, the mayor's office called it a mistake and removed the names. Senate Majority Leader Jack Johnson then introduced legislation he says will protect ICE officers. That legislation was heard on the Senate floor on Monday.
We don't need to allow local governments to make that type of private information about our brave men and women in law enforcement publicly accessible so that they can be harassed or their families threatened or their children threatened.
The bill could put public officials behind bars and allows them to be removed from office if they knowingly release ICE officers' names and that puts them in danger. If names, addresses, and contact information are posted together, it would be upped to a felony instead of a misdemeanor.
The bill does not prohibit any officer from providing their information if law otherwise would require them to present that.
Senator Jeff Yarbrough argued against the bill.
This doesn't even go to protecting officers. What it does is it exempts an entire category of government activity from normal transparency requirements.
He says we need transparency now more than ever.
What we believe is essential to public accountability. We don't want to be in a place where the police operate in secret.
Despite objections, the Senate voted in favor of the bill, 26-6.
I declare it passed without objection.
The mayor's office did not want to comment on the legislation. In the meantime, the bill heads to the House Government Operations Committee on Monday.